Hello and welcome to Diana's Makerspace on this September 25th, 2025. Today I'm not wearing my wig. I don't always wear my wig, especially inside my own home. I usually wear wig when I go out, or sometimes if it's too hot, I don't wear a wig. There are many women and men who have alopecia, and basically, also I feel I shouldn't have to shave my head because I don't like the shaved head look. That's not my thing. But today I'd like to show you a little update on the KZ80 CPM project. Well, with the KZA CPM project, I had it working as a different design, as a whole mass of wires. I wasn't happy with it. It was doing what it was supposed to do, but I didn't connect all the memory and all that address. So I just attached A7, A0, A7, and left A8 through 15 not attached. And I noticed when I landed on a CMOS, what happens to set the base address as 10 rather than 00. However, it did prove that basically that the reset circuit I had in here works. And the reset circuit is right over here. It's a resistor with a big capacitor that gives enough cycles so when you power up, it automatically does a reset. This is going to be the data output port result. This is going to be the address port result. And I made an interface board with it. Also, I added a chip chip bed. So basically, and I wrote a program. The other thing I found out when I ran the first model too was I ran this with just the oscillator, and I looked at this on the oscilloscope, and the waveform was not a square waveform. It was like a sinusoidal waveform with some odd sine nodes like that. So this time I'm running it through a 7404 Schmidt trigger to make sure that it's a square wave. So another addition to the project. And the third addition, what I realized when doing this is trigger, Schmidt trigger, clock, processor, memory, all in line. So like almost like an old engine. Piston 1, piston 2, piston 3, piston 4. And then this becomes piston 5, piston 5, piston 6, piston 7, piston 8. Like that though. So I'm gonna complete this somewhere a little bit, and I got the flash lamp flashed, programmed. And what's going to do is going to write that out to this. It's going to count all the way up to 256 and cycle back binarily on this output port. So I'm going to take a little bit of a break today, and I'll come back to it in the next few days. Well, let me know what you think. The best way to reach me is on YouTube, X, Facebook, and Blue Sky.